Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Tablet Tab 10, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to select Calendar app and pick a date by tapping on it. After that, select this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose Event. Then customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Then you need to select starting hour or ending one. If you don't need to do that, you can always disable this feature completely as well by choosing this switcher next to all day. Now tap on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example every year. If you don't, just click on Does Not Repeat. Now scroll down and from here you can add people, add location, choose while using the app or only this time, type in an address of your event, and click on the correct result. Then take some notes, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, click on Done, and finally save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine is over here. If you want to make some changes, you can always edit it by clicking on it and tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes. If you want to discard them, you can do that by clicking on the top left corner over here and selecting Discard in the pop-up, and if you wish to save them, just choose Save at the top right one. If you want to get rid of your event completely, you can always click on it, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner of it. Now select Delete at the top and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!